Imagine coming home after a long day, tired and hungry, only to find a gourmet meal waiting for you, perfectly cooked, beautifully plated, and ready to eat. No, it's not a personal chef or a food delivery service. It's your very own robotic chef, a marvel of modern technology that's about to revolutionize the way we think about cooking and dining. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary robotics, where machines are mastering the art of cooking with precision, creativity, and efficiency that rivals even the most skilled human chefs. At the forefront of this revolution is a groundbreaking $5,000 cooking robot that's sending shockwaves through the culinary world. Let's explore how this mechanical maestro is transforming kitchens and taste buds alike. At the heart of this culinary revolution is the Motoman SDA 10, a robotic marvel developed by the Japanese powerhouse Toyota. This isn't just any kitchen gadget, it's a fully fledged robotic chef capable of preparing a wide array of dishes with astonishing skill and precision. Standing at 135 centimeters tall and weighing in at 220 kilograms, the Motoman SDA 10 may not look like your typical chef, but don't let its appearance fool you. This robot is equipped with 2 mechanical arms, each boasting 7 joints, giving it the dexterity and range of motion needed to tackle even the most complex culinary tasks. The Motoman SDA 10 springs into action, its arms moving with fluid precision as it begins to prepare a batch of perfect pancakes. It starts by mixing the ingredients in a bowl, each movement calculated to achieve the ideal consistency. Then, with uncanny accuracy, it pours the batter onto a hot griddle, creating perfectly round pancakes every time. But the Motoman's skills don't stop there. As the pancakes cook, it monitors their progress, knowing exactly when to flip them for that golden brown perfection. Once done, it carefully transfers the pancakes to a plate, ready to be served. And here's where it gets even more impressive. The robot can even customize the dish, asking customers about their preferred sauces and seasonings. This level of culinary prowess isn't just impressive, it's game-changing. The Motoman SDA 10 represents a new era in food preparation, where consistency, efficiency, and customization come together in a way that was previously unimaginable. While the Motoman SDA 10's pancake-making skills are certainly impressive, it's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what these robotic chefs can do. Across the globe, similar robots are tackling an ever-expanding range of culinary challenges. Take, for example, the fully automated food preparation system developed by the Japanese startup Connected Robotics. This robotic kitchen specializes in traditional Japanese dishes, using advanced AI algorithms and robotic arms to prepare meals with the skill and attention to detail of a seasoned chef. Imagine a robot that can prepare up to 40 portions of noodles per hour, each one cooked to perfection. That's exactly what this system can do, addressing labor shortages in Japan's restaurant industry while maintaining the high standards of quality that diners expect. Additionally, Neo, a humanoid robot by 1X Technologies, is revolutionizing culinary robotics. Standing 165 centimeters tall and weighing 30 kilograms, Neo uses 2 manipulators mimicking human hands to perform various kitchen tasks with precision. Its ability to learn and adapt through AI sets it apart. Meanwhile, fully robotized restaurants are emerging worldwide. In Singapore, Ratio Cafe and Lounge features robotic arms preparing over 50 drink types, while Bangkok's Hajime Robot Restaurant offers robot waiters that serve and entertain. These innovations showcase the future of dining, blending culinary expertise with robotic efficiency and entertainment, attracting curious diners globally and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen. Not to be outdone, Chinese engineers from Astrobot have unveiled their own culinary marvel, the S1 robot. This AI-powered chef showcases impressive proficiency with kitchen tools, moving at speeds of up to 10 meters per second and carrying loads of up to 10 kilograms in each hand. The S1 isn't just fast, it's versatile. It can set a table for several people in record time, open and pour wine, prepare sandwiches, and even write calligraphy. But what truly sets the S1 apart is its ability to learn and replicate human movements with uncanny accuracy. For those dreaming of having their own personal chef, British company Moly Robotics has made that dream a reality with what they claim is the world's first personal chef robot. This suspended system uses two mobile manipulators to mimic the delicate hand motions of a professional chef. Trained by British chef Tim Anderson, this robot has learned proper kitchen techniques and sequences, which were captured in 3D and transformed into precise robotic movements. From retrieving ingredients to adjusting temperatures, from mixing to measuring, this robot does it all. At a price point comparable to a small yacht, around $333,000, it's not for everyone. But with 1,200 inquiries already received from potential buyers, it's clear that there's a market for this high-end robotic chef. And with plans to expand its repertoire to over 5,000 recipes, the possibilities seem endless. And these are not the only robots getting manufactured all around the globe. Robots are progressing way beyond cooking and cleaning. So are you want to learn all about the latest robots revealed at CES 2025? Then make sure to watch the video shown on your screen. Innovation knows no bounds in the world of culinary robotics. Take, for example, the Da Vinci Kitchen, a creation of the Lippic-based startup. This fully autonomous robotic kiosk specializes in Italian cuisine, capable of preparing pasta dishes in just 6 minutes and more complex meals in under 10. What's particularly impressive about the Da Vinci Kitchen is its efficiency and cleanliness. It can cook 2 portions simultaneously and then wash the dishes in just 30 seconds. Its modular design also allows for easy reconfiguration, making it adaptable to different cuisines and settings. Stanford University researchers have pushed the boundaries even further with Mobile Aloha, an affordable hardware system with open-source code for autonomous operation of mobile bimanual robots. What sets Mobile Aloha apart is its ability to learn complex tasks with minimal training. Just 50 demonstrations are enough to achieve an 80% success rate. Mobile Aloha can perform a wide range of kitchen tasks, from frying shrimp to opening cabinets, from calling and entering elevators to washing dishes. Its adaptability and learning capabilities make it a promising candidate for home use, potentially bringing professional-level cooking skills to everyday kitchens. Furthermore, the Toyota Research Institute has developed a breakthrough generative AI system for training robots in new skills quickly. This technology enhances robots' adaptability, allowing them to assist humans in various situations. TRI has already trained robots in 60 complex skills and aims to teach 1,000 by 2025. Miso Robotics Flippy specializes in fast food tasks, while Richtech Robotics Atom makes bubble tea and Scorpion crafts cocktails. Fully automated restaurants are emerging, like Kai Robot Catering Group's establishment in China, where 40 robots prepare 200 dishes, serving up to 600 guests and preparing 120 dishes per hour, increasing efficiency and hygiene. The rise of culinary robotics presents both opportunities and challenges for the food industry. While these robots could address labor shortages, improve consistency, and enhance food safety, concerns about job displacement and the loss of human touch in cooking persist. Challenges include high costs, maintenance issues, and questions about adaptability and creativity. However, as technology advances and costs decrease, culinary robots could become commonplace, revolutionizing meal preparation and enabling personalized nutrition. The future of cooking may involve a delicate balance between robotic efficiency and human creativity, reshaping culinary traditions and dining experiences. The $5,000 cooking robot and its advanced counterparts represent a revolutionary shift in cooking and dining. From Motoman SDA 10's pancakes to Neo's adaptable skills and fully automated restaurants, these robots are redefining culinary possibilities. Despite challenges and ethical concerns, the potential benefits are significant. Culinary robots could make high-quality meals more accessible, address labor shortages, and foster culinary innovation. As we enter this new era, the future of cooking is here, promising exciting and delicious experiences. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a food lover, the world of robotic chefs offers a taste of tomorrow that might just shock you with its culinary prowess. And that's all for today from the industry of cooking and robots. Hope you have been enjoying our videos and new finds of AI and robotic innovations in multiple industries. If yes, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any future innovation and our update on it. Also, we would like to have topic suggestions from you guys too, like if you want us to make a video on any robot or certain AI innovation, then do mention that in the comments. This will not only help us in making new content, but will also help us to make content on the demand of what our viewers wants to watch. Thanks again for watching the full video. See you again very soon.